I want to know who motherfucking representing it here tonight. Hold on, hold on.
I keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself?
Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing how I do my eyebrows. Just a tutorial how I do my eyebrows, because some of you guys asked me how I do my eyebrows and all that. So this video is going to be the answers to all your questions. So yeah, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time. It's because of school, exams and all that. When we went back to school, since we went back to school, we had so many exams and like I'm just dying. But yeah, I'm back now, so don't worry. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below in the description box, subscribe down below, and for all my social medias be linked down below in the description box. And let's get started. So the mirror I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty. You know, it's just so stunning. Like, oh god, like look how pink that is. Like look, don't even baby. But first thing I'm going to be doing is just brushing my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my eyebrow pencil to outline the shape I want, and I'm going to be filling them with my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow, and the color is just chocolate and it's so pink. Like, don't even aim me, like it's so pink. But I'm going to use this first. So yeah.
Guys, it's on the beat.
I'm really really weird. So after after you do your eyebrows, I done my other eyebrow off camera. But yeah, after you finish your eyebrows, I love to use Fix Prime spray because I'm not gonna do like full face of makeup. So let me just let my eyebrows stay in place. You get me? Let it know its place. Okay, I'm gonna use. But anyways, yeah. Bitch, oh, that felt so nice. Oh, I love it so much. Wow. Yeah, that's it for this video. Please give this huge thumbs up, subscribe down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, 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 peace. Love you guys.